County Governments Act and Standing Order 81A of the Senate Standing Orders, at the sittings of the Senate held on Tuesday, 31st October 2023, the charges against the Governor of Meru County, as contained in the motion of impeachment by the County Assembly of Meru, were read to the assembled Senate. Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to remind you of the mandate of the Senate in relation to the proposed removal by impeachment of the county governor as provided for under Article 181 of the Constitution, as read together with Section 33 of the County Governments Act 2012 and Standing Order 80 of the Senate Standing Orders. In particular, Article 181 of the Constitution provide as follows. 1. A county governor may be removed from office on any of the following grounds. A. Gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. B. Where there are serious reasons for believing that the county governor has committed a crime under the national and international law. C. Abuse of office or gross misconduct. Or D. Physical or mental incapacity to perform the functions of the office of the county governor. 2. Parliament shall enact legislation providing for the procedure for removal of a county governor on any of the grounds mentioned in Clause 1. Section 33 of the County Governments Act 2012, Senate Standing Order 80, and the third schedule to the Senate Standing Orders provide for the procedure to be followed in the hearing and determination of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of a governor. Specifically, Section 33(3) and Standing Order 81B of the Senate provide that the Senate may either by resolution appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter or investigate the matter in plenary. Honorable Senators, we recall that at a sitting of the Senate held on Tuesday, 31st of October 2023, the motion for establishment of a special committee was defeated. This, therefore, paved the way for a default position, the hearing of the impeachment charges against the Governor of Meru County, to be held by the Senate sitting in plenary. Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, by way of a status update, pursuant to Rules 4A and 6 of the Rules of Procedure, when considering the proposed removal of the Governor in plenary, the Senate invited the Governor to appear and be represented before the Senate during its investigation. The Senate further invited the Governor, if she so chooses to appear before the Senate, to file an answer to the charges with the Office of the Clerk of the Senate by 5 p.m. on Saturday, 4th of November, 2023, setting out the following. 1. The Governor's response to the particulars of allegations. 2. The mode of appearance before the Senate, whether in person, by advocate, or in person